Good morning, students. Today, 11th chemistry class, chemical bonding lesson, part 13, 13th part 13. Okay, previous class we are discussing about hybridization. What is hybridization? What is the meaning of hybridization? Salient features of hybridization, condition of hybridization. Okay, previous class there is a part 12, hybridization. Okay? So the introduction and the features, condition, hybridization and what? The molecule valence and electronic configuration of the elements. That is hybrid. That is intermixing to form new set of hybrid orbital. That is a hybridization. Okay. Previous video 12 hybridization definitions. Now part 13 videos types of hybridization. Types of hybridization. Okay. Hybridization is three types. As per carbon and hydrogen involving, it's three types. Carbon and hydrogen involving three types. Main carbon, that is sp hybridization. Carbon and hydrogen main generally sp, sp2, sp3. The formula. Here only s orbital and p orbital only involving. Does not involving d orbital involve. Only s and p orbitals only involving. Okay. Now first sp hybridization. sp hybridization another name linear hybridization or diagonal hybridization. Linear or diagonal hybridization. Linear hybridization or diagonal hybridization. That is a sp hybridization. Okay, here s orbital and p orbital only involving, does not involving d orbitals. Okay, now you see, when one s orbital, that is sp, spr hybridization. Now one s orbital, one p orbital is intermixing. When one s and one p orbitals, one s and one p orbital belonging to the same atom, not a different atom, only same atom, same main cell, valence cell, main cell of an atom, and mixed together to form two new equivalent bonds, two new equivalent orbitals. So two type of new equivalent hybrid orbital form. That hybrid orbital entirely different from atomic orbital. So atomic orbital different shape, different energy, but hybrid orbital same shape and same energy. Same shape and same energy. Energy equal energy. That is to form new equivalent orbital. That is a hybrid orbital. This type of hybridization is called sp hybridization. sp hybridization or diagonal hybridization. Okay, this is graphical, diagrammatically explain. This is the s orbital, this is the p orbital. So only b z orbital, because axis you will take a p z. That's not taking about p x, p y, only p z. Okay, s orbital. Okay, s orbital, no direction, p z orbitals. Okay. The p z orbital, s orbital intermixing of atom mixed together. That is when the close of the mixing of hybridization. Two atomic orbital involved, two hybrid orbital form. One atomic orbital of s, one atomic orbital of p. So two hybrid orbital. Previous we are discussing how many hybrid orbital is equal to number of hybrid orbital is equal to number of atomic orbital involving hybridization. Okay. So how many s orbital? S orbital 1, p orbital 1. So total 2 orbital involving. So 2 atomic orbital. So 2 hybrid orbital is formed. 2 hybrid orbital is formed. Okay. These 2 hybrid orbital, hybrid orbital is the same size and shape. One hybrid orbital, the shape. Is a positive loop, is a negative loop. Okay. Previously we were discussing about one hybrid orbital. another hybrid orbital. Second hybrid orbital is positive loop is negative. Okay. This is the axis here. What's the axis here? Z axis. Z axis. The angle between two hybrid orbitals. Two hybrid orbitals. This is one orbital. This is second hybrid orbital. Now the angle. Now what is the angle? 180 degrees. The angle between two hybrid orbitals is equal to 180 degrees. They are collinear with an angle 180 degree. Linear shape. So sp hybridization. What is the shape? sp hybridization is a linear shape. All the molecules linear shape. All the molecules linear shape. That is called as a linear hybridization. Linear hybridization. The bond angle is a 180 degree. sp bond angle is a 180 degree. These are the examples for sp hybridization. Examples. First example, beryllium chloride, beryllium fluoride, beryllium hydride, beryllium molecules, and CH triple bond CH, that is ethine or acetylene. So this is the 4 examples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Beryllium chloride, beryllium fluoride, beryllium hydride, acetylene. That is a ethine. Okay. Ethine. So I will explain one. Any one beryllium chloride I will explain. Beryllium chloride I will explain. Beryllium chloride. Hybridization. What's the hybridization? sp hybridization. How is formed? I will explain. Beryllium chloride. Beryllium atomic number is a 4. Electronic contribution 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p x, 2p y, 2p z. 0, 0, 0. Okay, now chlorine 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3px, 3py, 3pz. Okay. Now, beryllium, the ground state, 1s2, 2s2, 2px0, 2py0, 2pz0. Because atomic number is a 4, the ground state. Now, this is a valence cell. What is a valence cell? Second cell is a valence cell. So, valence cell only involved for hybridization. Okay. Excited state. Excited state. The valence cell 1 electron transferred to the paired electron, 2s orbital. The paired electron, 1 electron is transferred to the px orbitals. Any orbitals, okay? So hybridization 1s2, 2s1, z2h4. Any orbitals. Okay? Now clear? Now, this s orbital and the p orbital is a hybridized. The hybrid excited state. The energy equal, same energy s and p because second cell the same energy. It is this is atomic orbital. The hybridized I 2 sp orbital, hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital. sp and sp, that is a 2 sp hybrid orbital formed. 2 sp hybrid orbital is formed. That is, and the hybrid orbital, right? This is a 1, this 2. That is beryllium hybrid orbital to 1, 2. Okay, the bond angle is a 180 degree. Now chlorine உடைய unpaired electron இருக்கு pz orbital, unpaired electron pz orbital, அது bond form ஆகும். pz orbital எப்படி form ஆகுதுன்னா, this is the chlorine pz orbital, is the pz orbital, because other orbitals are completely filled, only one s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Only pz orbital unfilled. So this chlorine 2pz orbital is this hybrid orbital. This is the atomic orbital. This is a hybrid orbital. Now it is a mixing. This side is a bond formation, sigma bond formation. Okay, that is beryllium. This sigma bond formation. Now this side is also pz orbitals. Another chlorine, sigma bond formation. Sigma bond. This bond is sigma bond, sigma bond. So beryllium is a 2 hybrid orbital form. This bond angle is a 180. Bond angle 180. So this is the shape is a linear shape. So sp hybridization shape. Now what is the shape? Linear shape. Linear shape. Straighter. Okay, that's all. This is the sp hybridization. Over. Next is sp2 hybridization. So example 1 தான் explain பண்ணிருக்கேன். Textbookல 1 தான் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. But you know down sp இல்ல beryllium chloride, beryllium hydride, beryllium fluoride and beryllium hydride, acetylene also. Acetylene later we will discuss it. Now second sp2 hybridization. Second is a sp2 hybridization. One character miss பண்ணிட்டேன். Character firstல sp hybridization. sp hybridization. Some point is missing. Note down. sp hybridization that is sp la 50% s character and plus 50% p character. So sp hybridization la this is a hybrid orbital. This hybrid orbital la 2 hybrid orbital sp la 50% s character இருக்கும், 50% p character, because 2 hybrid orbital. So one hybrid orbital is 50. So s வந்து only 1 தான், that is a 50% s character, p வந்து 50. So this is the sp. Okay, you know down. Next, second hybridization, sp2 hybridization. Second sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Second is trigonal planar hybridization. Trigonal planar hybridization. Okay, trigonal nature. With the bond angle 120, we will discussing now. That is statement when one s orbital sp2 na one s orbital, 2 p orbital. One s orbital and 2 p orbital. One s orbital and 2 p orbitals. 2 p orbital of the same cell. Of the same cell of an atom mix to form 3 new equivalent orbitals. 3 new hybrid orbital or equivalent orbital. Equivalent orbitals. That is hybrid orbital. 3 new equivalent orbitals. The type of hybridization is called sp2 hybridization. This hybridization, one s orbital and 2 p orbitals involving. So sp2 hybridization. That is a sp2 hybridization. The examples. Yeah. BF3, BCl3, BBr3, BI3, BH3. Totally boron families sp2 hybridization. Boron trichloride, boron trichloride, boron tribromide, boron triiodide, and boron hydride. Boron. Another example, ethene, carbon hydrogen double bond. The double bond, carbon double bond is what's the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Carbon triple bond, sp later we will discussing. Okay. Now every form how this hybridization is formed. sp2 hybridization every form. One s orbital, 2 p orbitals. Is 2 p orbitals. Okay, this is a S, P, X, or P, Y, or any. It's a mixing. 1 s orbital, 2 s orbital. Mixing. 3 hybrid orbital is formed. 3 hybrid orbital is formed. That is shape 3 hybrid orbital. This is 1 hybrid orbital shape. Now second hybrid orbital shape. All are shape now space. Third hybrid orbital. This is a sp2 hybrid orbital. sp2 hybrid orbital. The bond angle plus. The bond angle is a 120. All the bond angle is equal, so it is a 120. This is a sp2 hybridization. Okay, sp2 hybridization. So either one explain. Anyone explain? I will explain. Boron trichloride. Explain. Boron trichloride. Boron trichloride. Boron trichloride. Okay, what is the atomic number of boron? Is a 5. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz, 100. Okay, fluorine is a 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3px, 3py, 3pz, 1. Okay, now central atom you will consider boron. Boron is a ground state. Ground stateless electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py0, 2pz0. 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. This is the what? Ground state. Now excited state. So this is a valence cell. In the 1 electron shifted to the 2py orbital. So 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. 2pz0. Okay. Now, this valence cell, atomic orbital. This is the atomic orbital. 2s1, 2px1, 2py1. So equal energy. Energy equal. The three orbitals intermixing. 1s, p, p. That is the intermixing. The intermixing is a hybrid orbital form. These three orbitals is the intermixing. That is the hybrid orbital. Hybridization. sp2. 1s, 2p. sp2. How many atomic orbitals involving? 3. So, 3 hybrid orbitals. 3 hybrid orbitals is formed. 3 hybrid orbitals. The hybrid orbital is 1, 2, 3. These 3 hybrid orbitals, sp2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, chlorine. The diagram is 3 hybrid orbitals. Boron, 1 hybrid orbital, second hybrid orbital, third hybrid orbital. Boron. Center atom is a boron. This is a boron. 3 hybrid orbitals. sp2, sp2, sp2. The bond angle 120 degree. All the bond angle 120 degree. Boron. So this 3 hybrid orbital form. Now chlorine. What is the unpaired electron Z? This Z electron, Z orbital, p Z orbital, intermixing of hybrid orbital. Atomic orbital intermixing of hybrid. This is hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital is intermixing orbital. 2p Z orbitals. Chlorine 2p Z orbital. This is a chlorine intermixing. So this area bond, sigma bond formation. The chlorine 2p Z orbital. Sigma bond formation. Sigma bond formation. That is the bond. That is a boron. Chlorine. Another chlorine. PZ orbital. This is a bond formation. Sigma bond formation. This is a sigma bond formation. Now another third chlorine. 2pz orbital. All are 2pz orbital. Chlorine 2pz orbitals. This area overlapping. This area overlapping. This area. This area. This area is a sigma bond. This area is a sigma bond. The bond angle, what is this? 120 degree. 120 degree. This is a trigonal planar shape. Trigonal, 3 angles. Trigonal. 120 degree planar shape. So all the bond angle 120 degree planar shape. So 2 dimensional now. Trigonal planar shape. The bond angle, all the bond angle is 120. This is all the bond angle is 120. Okay, this is a sp2 hybridization. This is a sp2 hybridization. Okay. Now some point is given. sp2 characters. How many s characters? How many p orbital characters? Okay. All the points I will write down now. All the points now I will write down. Okay, first point sp2 hybridization. Some points. How many s characters? Total 3 orbitals. Total how many orbitals involved? 3 orbitals. 1 s, 2 p. 3:1. 3 orbital 1 irukanaala 33.3% of s character. Total orbital 3 la p orbital 2, 66.6% of p character. 66.6% of p character. You note down. So s orbital, s character, hybrid orbital, s character 33.3%. p character 66.6%. Or sometimes 67 bolos. 66 not correct. 66 correct. Okay. So this is a sp2 hybridization. This is a sp2 hybridization. This is known as sp2 hybridization. Over. Now sp hybridization. Next is sp hybridization. sp2 over sp2 over sp3. sp3 hybridization. Next hybridization is sp3. Third, sp3 hybridization. What hybridization? sp3 hybridization. This is another form. You know another name, tetrahedral hybridization. Shape tetrahedral now. Tetrahedral. Okay. Okay, I will write the statement. When 1 s and 3 p orbitals. Three p orbitals belonging to the same cell of an atom mixing together to form three new equivalent orbitals. To form new equivalent orbitals. Total 4 equivalent orbitals. The type of hybridization. Is sp3. That is a sp3. The bond angle. sp3 hybridization, the bond angle 109.28 degree 28 minutes. Okay, 109 or 109 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay. The example. Methane and ammonium. Okay, methane only. Okay, I will explain. See, when one s orbital, that is, s orbital, one s orbital, three p orbitals. That is 1x, px, py, pz. Three p orbitals. Px, py, ps, s. So one s orbital, three p orbital, px and py, pz orbitals, when one s and three p orbital belonging to the same cell. And same cell not different cell. Different cell energy is different. But hybridization is atomic orbital nearly same energy or equal energy. So same cell energy same. That is the same cell of an atom mixed together to form new equivalent orbital. That is a hybrid orbital. How many hybrid orbital form? 4. Because 3 atomic orbitals involved. This is the atomic orbital AO. 3 s orbital, px, py, pes. 4 atomic orbital involved ஆனதுல 4 hybrid orbital this formed. 4 hybrid orbital same shape and size எல்லாமே ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Shape எல்லாம் ஒண்ணு, size ஒண்ணு. But atomic orbital is a different shape. Okay? 4 எப்படி 4 hybrid orbital. 1 so 1 2 3 4 yeah, hybrid orbital. Positive sign, positive sign, positive sign, positive sign. sp3 hybridization இதனுடைய bond angle. Some textbook la 109.28 mention இருக்கு. Some textbook 109.5 இருக்கு. எல்லாமே ஈக்குவல் தான். 109.5 equals 109. Minutes கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கும். But most of the book 109.5 minutes தான். Most of the books. Okay, this is a hybrid orbital. How many hybrid orbital? 4. இதனுடைய டெட்ராஹெட்ரல். இந்த ஷேப் பாத்தீங்கன்னா டெட்ராஹெட்ரல் ஷேப். ஓகே, இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா மீத்தேன். மீத்தேன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். now we will discussing மீத்தேன் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பார்க்க போறோம். sp3 hybridization structure. Methane, carbon atomic number 4, 1s2, 6 atomic number 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz, 1 1 0. Hydrogen 1, that is 1s1. For the carbon ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py0, 2pz0 is the ground state. Now excited state, valence cell now involving this electron, 2s paired electron, one electron, the electron gaining of energy. Excited state எப்ப form ஆகும்னா when atom come closer to the hybridization, the excitation padina carbon hydrogen closer varappo the electron shift off, shifted to the what, shifted to the z orbital. So 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So 4 atomic orbitals, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, that is s, px, py, pz. 4 atomic orbital intermixing, because intermixing fullaவே mix ஆகும், because energy difference கம்மி. இப்போ க்ளோஸா இருக்கறனால டக்குனு மிக்ஸ் ஆயிடும். மிக்ஸ் ஆயிட்டு sp3 hybridization form ஆகும். That is how many hybrid orbital form ஆகும்? 4 hybrid orbitals is a form. Okay, அதோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் பாருங்க. கார்பன் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், கார்பன் 4 hybrid orbitala 1 2 3 4 hybrid orbital. Okay, now sp3 hybrid orbitals, 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Now hydrogen, now carbon இந்த மாதிரி bond formation. Next hydrogen, hydrogen atomic orbital என்னது? 1s1, இது atomic orbital. This hybrid orbital is overlapping with the atomic orbital. இது atomic orbital, not hybrid orbital, or atomic orbitals overlapping. In the bond overlapping, lateral axial overlapping. So this is what? Sigma bond. Sigma bond. Another hydrogen is overlapping This is a sigma bond. Third hydrogen is overlapping. This is a sigma bond. Third hydrogen. Fourth hydrogen is overlapping. Sigma bond. This is now methane structure. Tetrahedral shape. This shape, what is the shape? Tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape. PD. PD. In the D, the hedral D. TD shape. The bond angle of methane 109.5 minutes. Okay. This is the sp3 hybridization. In the character, how many percentage of S character is allowed? sp3 characters 4 orbital la 4 orbital la only one s da irukku 25%. P வந்து total 4 atomic orbital la 3 irukku, that is 75%. So 25% of s character, 75% of p character. Total add பண்ணி பாருங்க 100% வருது. 25 by 70 add பண்ணா 100%. Okay. Now sp3 hybridization. சரி, இந்த 3 hybridization இருக்குல்ல, sp, sp2, sp3. இதுக்கு சைஸ் எதுக்கு அதிகமா? sp ஆர் sp2 ஆர் sp3 hybridization சைஸ். Size. sp3 hybrid orbital size அதிகமா. அப்படின்னா என்னது? இதான் sp3 hybrid, இது கொஞ்சம் பெருசா, large size. sp2 வந்து sp கம்பேர் பண்றப்ப ஸ்மாலா, sp3 கம்பேர், sp தான் smallest size. Okay, this is a very important point. It's not there in textbook, bookல கிடையாது. You know the size of hybrid orbital. Size of hybrid orbital size. Okay, you know down. Okay, that's all. 3 hybridizations over. Okay, these 3 hybridization over. Next, நம்ம shape of the molecule பார்க்க போறோம். One pair of shape of the molecule containing one pair மட்டும் present ஆனா அதோட shape எப்படின்னா hybridization. Second shape பார்த்தீங்கன்னா shape of the molecule containing one pair plus additional lone pair தான் எப்படி shape. Okay, now we are discussing. First is shape of the molecule containing one pair. Lone pair absent. For regular geometry da varum. Shapes of molecule containing bond pairs. Containing bond pairs only. Bond pair மட்டும் present ஆகுது, lone pair absent. Okay, இத ஒவ்வொண்ணா பார்க்க போறோம். So 3 molecules பார்க்க போறோம். ethane, ethene, ethyne. இதோட shapes பார்க்கணும். Okay, ethane னா first C2H6, that is CH3, CH3. Ethane, C2H4, CH2, double bond CH2, ethene, C2H2, CH, triple bond, CH, ethine. இந்த ஷேப்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ண போறேன். Here only bond pair தான், lone pair கிடையாது. No lone pair. Lone pair absent. இதனுடைய ஷேப்ஸ் நம்ம டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈத்தேன். ஈத்தேனுடைய ஷேப் C2H6, that is CH3. இது என்ன ஷேப்? லீனியரா, ட்ரைகோனல் பிளானர் ஷேப்பா, ஆர் டெட்ராஹெட்ரலா? இதுதான் நம்ம டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, இதனுடைய ஷேப் எல்லாமே டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ண போறோம். பாண்ட் ஆங்கிள்ஸ், everything is discussing. Okay, okay, now you see இதனுடைய கார்பன் atomic number என்ன? What is atomic number? 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. இதுதான் ground state. This ground state. Each carbon. This is ground state. Now excited state. 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1. The one electron is shipped now. 2pz1. This is the excited state. Okay, this is the excited state. Now valence shell for intermixing. Valence shell, atomic orbital. These are atomic orbital, non-hybrid orbital. இது எல்லாமே intermixing ஆகி sp3 hybridization form ஆகுது. ஈத்தேன்ல what is this hybridization? sp3 hybridization form ஆகுது. sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp3 now how many hybrid orbital is formed? 4 hybrid orbital. 4 sp3 orbital, hybrid orbital is formed. 4. For each carbon, here 2 carbon decline. This 2 carbon 1, carbon 2. This carbon 4 hybrid orbital form. In the carbon now 4 hybrid orbital, sp3 form. This carbon, second carbon, 4 sp3 hybrid orbital form. Okay, the carbon 1, you see, this is the carbon 1, 4 sp2 hybrid, sp3 hybrid. You know, 1 orbital. Is it 2? Now 3, 4 hybrid orbital. Carbon 1 ku 4 sp3 hybrid orbital is formed. 4 hybrid orbital. Now carbon 2. This carbon 2, this is also excited state. 4 hybrid orbital is formed. Excited state 4 hybrid orbital is formed. Second carbon 4 hybrid orbital. First carbon, each carbon for sp3 hybridization 4 hybrid orbital form ஆகுது. இதுவும் என்னது 4 form ஆயிடுச்சு. Second carbon is the 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 form ஆயிடுச்சு. Now 4th hybrid orbital இருக்குல்ல, 4th hybrid orbital. That hybrid orbital, carbon 12 உடைய 4th sp hybrid orbital, இந்த carbon 1 உடைய hybrid orbital overlapping நடக்கும். இந்த ஏரியால overlapping. The 4th hybrid orbital overlapping. So this area overlapping takes place. This area overlapping takes place. So இது axial overlap நடக்குனால sigma bond formation. This is a sigma bond. இது இந்த bond sigma bond. Carbon க்கு sigma bond formation. Over. Now hydrogen. For each 3 hydrogen, each carbon 3 hydrogen. Hydrogen electronic configuration, hydrogen 1s1 orbitals. Okay, carbon 1 ல இங்க overlap ஆகும் hydrogen. இது 1s1 hydrogen. This area overlap. This sigma bond. This sigma bond. Now this second hydrogen overlap. This sigma bond hydrogen 1s1. Third hydrogen overlap. This is a 1s. This is a sigma bond. So 3 sigma bond between carbon hydrogen. Carbon hydrogen is a sigma bond. This sigma 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 bond. 3 sigma bond. Now 6 hydrogen remaining 3 hydrogen. Another carbon atom overlapping. This is a sigma bond. This is atomic orbital, not hybrid orbital. So hybrid orbital only dealing with the central atom மட்டும் தான் deal பண்ணும். Other atom does not dealing. Only central atom hybrid orbital form of, not other atoms. Now second, this hydrogen sigma bond. Now this hydrogen sigma bond. Okay, this is a sigma hydrogen sigma bond. Total carbon hydrogen 6 sigma bond. Carbon carbon hydrogen total bond pathina carbon hydrogen 6 sigma bond. 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon carbon 1 sigma bond. Total 7 sigma bond in ethane molecule. In ethane molecule, this is the structure of ethane molecule. Bond angle and bond length. Bond angle sp3 na இந்த bond angles சொல்லுங்க. Hydrogen 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 hydrogen. Sigma bond sigma 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 sigma. This bond angle 109 to 8 minutes. Okay, this is a ethane ethane okay structure. Okay, இங்க only bond pair only involving, not lone pair involved ஆகல. Next ethene. Second is ethene. Second structure is the ethene. Second structure is the ethene. Second C2H4, that is a ethene okay structure. Bond pair da irukum, lone pair absent. CH2 double bond CH2 CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, enna hybridization double bond na compulsory sp2 hybridization now. பாருங்க carbon carbon single bond sp3 hybridization, carbon carbon double bond sp2 hybridization, carbon carbon triple bond sp hybridization. You should memorize. Okay, ethene la what hybridization sp2. Okay, adha nama discussion panna porom. Okay, now carbon same ground state 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2pz0. Okay, now excited state 1s2, this one electron shifted to the 2z, 2px1 2py1, now 2pz1 2pz1. Clear. Next, this one has 2p orbital, not involving 2pz orbital is not involving hybridization in ethene or sp2 la involved கிடையாது. So 1so 2p உன்னால sp2 hybridization. Here how many atomic orbital involving? 3 atomic orbital involving for hybridization. So 3 hybrid orbital form. hybrid orbital is formed. That is a ethene. That is a ethene. Okay. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம் ethene one carbon, another carbon, the second carbon, first carbon. How many hybrid orbitals form? 3 hybrid orbitals. sp2 na 1, now 2, third, carbon 1, third. They say carbon 2 was 3 hybrid orbitals. 3 hybrid orbitals. 1, 2 over a third hybrid orbital is overlapping with carbon of the third hybrid orbital overlap with carbon 1 of the hybrid orbital overlap. So this area now what sigma bond. This area sigma bond. Now sigma bond. This area sigma bond formation because axial overlapping. Correct axis is overlap. Axis is overlap. So it is a sigma bond. That is a sigma bond. Okay. Now next hydrogen. Hydrogen is hydrogen. Sigma bond. Now this hydrogen sigma bond 1s இங்கே ஒரு hydrogen this hydrogen 1s sigma bond then another hydrogen fourth hydrogen sigma bond. Okay, 4 hydrogens over. Now 4 sigma bond 1 இது 1 2 3 4 5 sigma bond formation ethene. Now the empty orbital இருக்கா atomic orbital empty atomic orbitals empty atomic orbitals இந்த empty இருக்கா empty atomic orbital வந்து இப்படி இருக்கும் it's not equal to hybrid orbital. Now empty atomic orbitals shape different orbital hybrid orbital shapehodina one loop big size ah irukum second loop small size ah irukum but atomic orbital two loop same size same shape and same size idu one carbon ude 2pz orbitals another carbon ude 2pz orbitals another carbon ude 2pz orbitals atomic orbitals. These are atomic orbitals. Okay, atomic orbitals. These 2pz orbitals overlapping. Empty overlap, lateral overlapping. This is known as lateral overlapping or perpendicular overlap. Axis க்கு perpendicular ஆ இருக்கும். இதான் axis. இதுக்கு மேல இருக்கும் overlap ஆகும் கீழே இருக்கும். This is the z axis in it. You think about this is the z axis. The above pz with this overlap. Perpendicular. This overlapping. This overlapping. This bond is known as pi bond. Now pi bond. This is known as pi bond. The bond angle, what is the bond angle? 120 degree. The bond angle, all the bond angle on sp2 is 120 degree. Okay. This is a ethene structure. This is a ethene structures. Now ethane structures for structure of ethane. Or acetylene. Now ethane structures. ethene over next ethane structure. Ethane structures. That is acetylene or scientific name ethane. This structure C2H2. That is CH triple bond CH. What is the hybridization? sp hybridization. This hybridization is known as sp hybridization. This is the discussion for sp hybridization. Okay, it is linear. This hybridization linear. Okay, already you should know. Already you know. Okay. Now carbon. Same ground state. 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. Ground state. Now excited state. This one electron shifted to the 2pz orbital. 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay. Now this s and p overlapping. S orbital and p orbital. 1s, 1p overlapping. That is sp hybridization. How many atomic orbitals involving? Two hybrid orbitals. Two hybrid orbital of sp orbital. sp orbital is formed, two hybrid orbitals. Okay. Now you see, this atomic orbital 2py and 2pz is not involving hybridization. It's not involving hybridization. Okay, this is the atomic orbital. It's not a hybrid orbital. Okay. Now you see, carbon 1 and carbon 2. Okay. How many hybrid orbitals? 2 form. 1 is a linear shape. So, this is 1. This is a second. Okay. Carbon 1 day sp. 1 is sp. Hybrid orbital. Another carbon of the hybrid orbital. This is a 1 sp. Another hybrid orbital of carbon 2 here, sp hybrid orbital, is overlapping with the carbon 1 sp hybrid orbital. Idukku overlap. This is a sigma bond. Now sigma bond formations. Okay. This is a sigma bond formation. That is zero. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, now 2p orbital, atomic orbital is the 2py present. The 2py atomic orbitals. Another carbon atom 2py. 2py. Now this atomic orbital not hybrid orbital. This is the lateral overlapping. Lateral overlapping. This is overlap. Now this bond and what is a bond? Pi bond. Okay, pi bond formation. Next 2p is at orbital. 2p is at orbital. Atomic orbital is not 2p is at direction is it? 2p is at orbital. Another 2p is at orbital. Another 2p is at orbital. Now it is overlapping. Do overlap. Z axis over. இதெல்லாம் 90 டிகிரில இருக்கும். நமக்கு இது பார்த்தா அப்படி தெரியும். ஆனா ஆக்சுவலா 90 டிகிரில இருக்கனால ஓவர்லாப் நடக்கும். So this is a pi bond. Now pi bond. So ethane உடைய structures பார்த்தா acetylene structures carbon, another carbon 2, இது ஒன்று, இது axis overlap ஆனால sigma bond. Okay, இது lateral overlap, y axis நடக்கறனால another pi bond. Another pi bond. So 1 sigma bond, pi bond, 2 pi bond. This is sigma bond, this is pi bond, y axis is a pi bond, this is y axis, this is z axis is a pi bond, 2 pi bond. Now hydrogen overlap of hydrogen atom, atomic orbital, hydrogen, this is a hydrogen overlapping, oneness orbital, atomic orbital, this is overlapping, this is a hydrogen. This is a sigma bond. This is a sigma bond. The bond angle is a 180 degree. The bond angle is, what is the bond angle? 180 degree. This bond angle is a 180 degree. This is a ethane structure or acetyl structure. Okay. So so far we are discussing about structure of simple molecule that is containing bond pair only, without not considering lone pair. Without not considering lone pair. Consider panel. Okay, that's all. So next class we are discussing about hybridization of bond pair plus lone pair. Bond pair or lone pair hybridization. First topic, another topic. Next class we are discussing about bond pair lone pair plus second hybridization involving d orbitals. So far we are discussing s orbital, p orbital involving for hybridization. Next hybridization involving s, p, d. D involved. அதோட finish ஆயிடும். அப்புறம் trick for hybridization எப்படி ஈஸியா find out பண்றது. அதோட hybridization topic over. Okay, hybridization topic over. Okay, you will see the next video. There is a part 14 you will see. Okay, that's all. Thank you.